Mr. Burley at St. Elizabeth Catholic School. We're going to use Fusion 360 today, and we're going to sculpt a car. So the first thing we're going to do is you have to go onto the internet, go into Google Images, and find an orthographic drawing of the car you're interested in. So in this case, I got an Audi R8 and a Porsche 911. And what I did is I took them, they looked like this initially, and then I had to crop them. So just go into an editing software and crop them, and I got the top view and front view and side view and so on. And label them as such. Makes it easier for the next step. Then what you do is you come into Fusion and you go Insert Image, you select the image file, and in this case I'm going to select the side of the R8, click Open, and I want to set it on that face right there. And I'm going to leave it the way the size it is right now. I might slide it back a bit, straight back, just so it's off of this. Then I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to, you'll see it's there, and I'm going to click Insert, and I'm going to get the top view, or even the front view. Where's the top view? Right here. And I open him up, and then I'm going to select that face for him to sit on. Now you see it's 90 degrees off, so just grab it like that and go click, click like this, make him 90 degrees. And then I'm going to take him back, and I'm going to line him up with the car like this. Now this takes a little bit of playing around with it. I'm not going to get too worried right now about it being perfect. You can line it up so it's mint. It's probably pretty good there. And then the next step is we're going to bring the front view image. So you click the front view, front of the R8, and you see I have the back as well. You can do the back as well. I'm not going to do it for this video, but you can easily do the back as well. Click Open. Okay, and now I'm going to take it, and should be, I'm going to slide him back. Alright. Try that again. I want to bring it closer to my front of my car. Select the image. Where's the front view? Right there. Alright, front. Okay, select that. And then bring it back here. And again, you can play with this and get it right. You can size it so it's correct and all the rest of it, but I'm not going to get too worried about that right at the moment. I'll show you afterwards. Okay, for this moment anyways, I'm going to shut that one off now. Now you come in here and you can toggle them off so it's easier. So for the front view, I'm going to toggle the front view off. I'm going to toggle off the top view. So I just have this one, the side view. Actually, I'm going to leave the top for a minute because we're going to use it in a second. So now I want to come in here. I want to go create a sketch. I want to select that plane right there. So it's a side view of the car. And we're just going to draw some tires. Now you see the tires come to the outside edge there. So we're going to go create sketch, circle, try to get in the center of it as best you can. Bring it out to the edge of the car tire, which is, I guess, right around there. Same thing here. Something like that. Stop the sketch. And I'm going to come in here and I select this one. Hold the control key down, select that one, press pull, and bring it out. There's something along those lines. And I'm going to create a modification. I'm going to put a fillet on the edge of it to make it more like a tire. Oh. Click that guy and just a little bit, maybe 0.10. That looks good. Click OK. Do the same thing on this guy. Modify, fillet. 0.10. That's pretty good. Now we're going to highlight the whole thing. We're going to right click and we're going to move them. Move. And we're just going to grab this arrow here and slide it out. Now I want to go to the top view so I can basically slide it out to where the car tires would actually be sitting. See, it's jumping back and forth, so that's 4 and that's 3, so maybe 3.5. Guess that was negative 3.5. So it's 4 there, so I'm going to go negative 3.5. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to hold the shift key down, rotate it. I'm going to highlight those, all of them again, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go copy. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not going to use that strategy. There's a better strategy to do. I'm just going to go like that, mirror it, so create, and mirror, and across which plane. Where's my origin shut off? There we go. Click my origin, mirror plane, click him, and click OK, and there's my tires, all 4 of my tires. Alright, so now the next step we're going to do is we're going to click on Sculpt Mode. It says we're going to Sculpt Moding, where I said yes, absolutely. Go to the right view, scroll in. Now we're going to go create an extrusion. We're going to sketch first. And we're going to come in here and we're going to go. That was a mistake putting that way over there. Create a circle. And we're going to go out to the outside edge of the car tire, right there, to the fender. Do the same thing in the back one. Something like that. Stop your sketch. Okay, now we're going to click this guy here, and we'll hold the control key down and click this guy here. And we're going to create an extrusion, and we're going to pull it out about like that. And it should 8 faces is good. And so you click OK. Now we're going to come in here and we're going to select all the edges. So hold your control key down and select these edges here and here and here and here, like that. I'm going to go to the right view so you can see what I'm doing better. And I'm going to right click, edit form. I'm going to hold the Alt key down, and I'm going to grab this guy right here, and I'm going to pull him down. And you see it creates a lip. Okay, 0.783, enter. So I'm just memorizing that, so I'm going to do the same, close to the same thing over here. Same thing, I'm going to scroll sideways so I can see all the edges. I'm going to click this guy, control key down, click here, go around. Right click, edit form, grab this guy, hold your Alt key down, holding the Alt key down and grabbing this guy makes new faces. So something like that. 783, remember that number. Perfect. Now if you look at it, you'll see it's a lip. So it's going to be the outside edge of the fender. Okay, now I'm going to go right view. I want to delete this and this. So I'm going to go like this and delete him, delete him, delete him, and delete him. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Delete, 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 and delete. Now when I come to the right view, now what you do is you grab this, you're going to highlight this bottom edge right here, so click him like that, and hold the control key down and click this guy here. I'm trying to get him, but he doesn't want to get out. There you go. Now right click, edit form, and you can walk that up. So you can grab it like this here, and you can walk them right up like that. You can turn the angle down so it matches perfectly like this, and you play around with it. I'm not going to go crazy, but you can see what it's doing. You can play around with it, line it up nicely, and you'll be a much nicer job on. And this whole video you're going to see, I'm going to tell you can take your time and do a much nicer job than I'm doing. I just doing this for demonstration purposes, so you can see what I'm doing, see how it's done. So again, I'm going to rotate that guy down like this. I'm going to grab him. I'm going to bring him up something like to the bottom of the car. It's hard to see. This is not the line. This is the bottom of the car here, I believe. Yes, it is. Click OK. Do the same thing here. Come in here, right click, edit form, twist him like that, grab him, bring him up, click OK, same, grab this guy here, twist him. There's a lot of, this takes some skill and some practice to get used to how to do this particular part of it. Then we click OK, and that's done. And now what I want to do is I want to create the side of the car. So grabbing this guy here, hold your control key down, this one and this one, shift, roll it through, holding the control key down again, shift, click, click, these three, whoops, like that. Now we're going to go modify, and you're going to see bridge. Bridge. Okay, that was a waste of time. I'm going to do that again. Click, click, click. Shift key down so I can see the other side. Hold the control key down. Click, click, click. And if for some reason it gives me that warning every single time I do this, click OK, and you bridge the car. And there's the side of your car. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to wrap the front of the car, build the sides, and continue on. For this one here, I'm going to leave it the way it is right now.